Next punch is our cross. That's our power punch off our rear hand, right? The reason we're keeping our rear hand back is because that's the power. And again, we set that up off the jab. You're coming through with it. This is a little more important. With this one, you're pivoting the foot. The power's coming from the back of that leg into the hip and out through the arm. So as I throw my cross, I'm going to turn my body, turn my hip, turn my foot, extend the arm. So as I'm here, just throw that cross. Turn the hips, extend it out. Turn the hips, extend it out. Turn the hips, extend it out. Straight forward. Again, hands always coming back to my face. And my lead hand is blocking. So as I'm turning, I'm extending that shoulder, I'm bringing it back. Right from there, it's all off that back foot, pivoting in and throwing the power. Nice and quick.
And is this considered the knockout punch, or?
I mean, you could knock, there are guys, I've seen guys get knocked out with jabs, with hooks, with crosses, but for the most part, this is your power punch. That backhand, rear hand is it's a significant power punch. So absolutely could be the power punch if you throw it right. So now we're gonna add the cross, the power to our cross. Same thing, we're pivoting in, hand stays up, pop through, pop through, pop through, pop through. Nice and simple. I'm turning my body, extending it through, letting all that power go into the back.